Hey, friend. So, Esmeralda and I were supposed to do some more, sorting and arranging and decluttering and stuff like that. But I was up so late yesterday that I went to sleep. I crashed, you know, in the morning time, went to sleep, in the daytime. And I slept good. I was so tired. Eyes are all puffy. It's like a allergic reaction to the environment and coming down with a cold or something. Coming down with something. Yeah, it's all my throat and my lungs, stuff like that. Hard to breathe. So we can just continue. Like, sorry, I have to blow my nose. We can continue Monday or two. Next week, I guess. With the sorting. Excuse me. But so instead, while I was sleeping, she went shopping at Dollar Tree. I think Walmart. Oh no, it was these. And she made homemade Mexican food. Oh, what's these? And excuse me. I put a little bit of that Philadelphia cream cheese in it, and I warmed it up. So it's Mexican rice, and move this over. And I cooked two of this cotta salamis from the Dollar Tree, but they have it at regular stores also. And I cooked it like a jerky to chew on, like a jerky. I don't know. I did my turkey that way, and it was really good after Thanksgiving. So and we ate all the turkey. So yeah. So we did the. I think my son wanted some Mexican food with the jalapeno peppers, the poblano peppers. It's spicy, but it's not as spicy as my red pepper. But it is. My nose is running. It's helping me with my nose. Like this is like a chili verde. Is it like a? I'll have to ask her the name of it. But yeah, and then see the way I did this. Looks like it's burnt. It's nice and chewy, but try it out. It tastes like beef jerky. Bologna jerky. Salami jerky. It's really oily and greasy. Peppery. When we're sick, I can taste it. And it makes for good videos. Good smacking. Chewing sounds. And this has a lot of black pepper in it, so I'm gonna sneeze. So let me eat. And we'll look at the Dollar Tree items, what she got. Walmart bag. Well, there's a Walmart bag too. So she might have went to two places. I'm not sure. So my nose is running so much. It's good though. Loosen up. I have my saucy wine here. And I have 7-Up, and I grabbed another Diet Coke. I walked back and forth to kitchen and back. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. About 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Okay, so I got this at Dollar Tree. That one haul. That's your bash. I don't ever get drunk. Just a half a glass of wine. It's very, very nice. So, let's go into this bag now. I think she got me my medicine. Put my name on it. My medicine. So, let me open it up. And just so you know, in case you're new here, Esmeralda is my caregiver. Sorry, because I'm very sick. She takes care of me when I'm sick. When I need get some things at the store. She helps me, different things in the house, different stuff, you know, cook. There we go. She got the saline nose spray. Oh, yes. I can make a million videos. And people have been asking me for these videos. I was like, oh, I get sick a lot. So you wait till November or December. I mean, if I'm able to lift this up. If I'm too sick, then I can't make anything. But, yeah. I was telling Esmeralda about this. She got the right one. The sinus congestion and pain. This is the one that opened my sinuses before when I was sick. It's very good. Anyhow, allergies. Oh yeah, for the cats, for the allergies, for the I'm allergic to so many things. Tree pollen. Oh, this would be nice. Arthritis and support with wintergreen. Epsom salts plus alcohol for rubbing and soak. Oh, you could soak it too. Arthritis, aching muscles, sprains, aching stiff joints, tired aching feet. Oh, so many things. It's like an elixir. Oh, I love it. It's green. It's so lucky. And acid. And acid's always helpful. Oh, let me have another bite of my jerky. Of my bologna salami. I love it. For my eczema, it says for long-lasting soothing relief for itchy, dry skin. I can put it around my eyes. Herbal. Ooh. Compared to the active ingredients in cortisone 10. My hands, the flaking, drying skin thing I have. More saline nose spray. Yes, can't have enough of that. Oh, there we go. Nighttime cold and flu relief. Ooh. Eye drops. There we go. Lots of videos of this. Any of these things. Tension headache relief. Oh. Hydroperoxide. Oh, that's great. That's great. More saline. Oh, here we go. Here's the daytime one. I've tried this before. It's great. Oh, cold symptoms one. Here's a cold symptoms. Daytime non-drowsy. This is quite a haul, huh? Multi-symptom. It's very very cheap. Economical. Frugal. More study. Yes. Trying to get better. Cold and flu. Wow, she got so many different. And this is a nighttime one. Another. Wow. Another daytime one. Oh, my arm hurts. I took my arm hurts because I've done 3 videos before I went to bed, and then 2. This is the 3rd. Yeah, I've been making videos. I'm holding this. It's heavy. This tablet that I'm holding. Cold and flu. Some more. All right. I'll put those back in the bag in a minute. My eyes are watering. Let's eat some more. But I do feel good. I feel uplifted. I don't feel depressed. Started to feel a little blue yesterday, but I was watching Ricky's videos and make me laugh. And I watch them over and over. Yeah. I watch everything. And then I guess there was some drama that I was asleep. I missed it. Honestly, I really was asleep. And then maybe I'll go look at a few things that, yeah. Feet are cold. Oh, my nose is running so much. Oh, I know. I feel so terrible. I'll get better. So yesterday I felt so terrible, and then I started to feel like a little more uplifted. salami bologna. Mmm. I love it. Mmm. Oh, did have a couple bites of this. I'll upload it. Mmm. This melon's cooking is amazing. Last bite. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Overall, I'm very pleased. I'm very satisfied. I'll see you later. Bye.